Alright, today we're going to pull a little tool out of my belt pouch. It's the Radiacode 103. Previously I bought a 101 and it's been a very faithful bit of gear, but they sent me the 103 for free by way of promotion. So we're going to see what we can do. We are in my senior engineer's workshop today. I know he's got some radioactive stuff hiding around here, so we're going to have a poke around and see what we find. Let's have a look around here. I know straight off the bat the background level here is usually 0.05 or 0.06 microsieverts an hour. We're already a little elevated, and we'll just poke around. There are all sorts of interesting things in his shed. That's an oscilloscope. That I think is a germanium cat's whisker for a radio tuner. You usually wouldn't keep stuff like this near his desk. I think he does have an old radium dial watch somewhere here. I'll have a look. Oh, that's an old set of binoculars, I think, that might have had a glow-in-the-dark dial. What do we got here? Anything radioactive around here? This is the sort of stuff that the average Joe will do with these things, is just find stuff that's cool and radioactive. And yeah, sometimes it's cool because it's radioactive. This is his Tesla coil that's in here. We need to pull that out and show that off one day. What else have we got? Now, he does do vintage radio restoration, so there's a good chance we'll find a slightly radioactive dial. I heard a few double clicks in here, which are usually a sign that something's in here. What's this? This is an AI. Is it? No, there's not radioactive. What's this? There's a clock in here. Nothing in there. No, the two clocks. Now let's go around the messy side. So what have we got? Some glass off an old vintage radio there. Some of his vintage radios in here. This one I think was made locally. He's got an Atwater Kent there, an STC, got a radiola. He's restored all of these, and they all actually work, believe it or not. Currently processing some scrap. So I've got these toasters. I've got one of these, and I've had one of these pretty much my entire childhood and into adulthood. I got gifted one. These Sunbeam toasters, they're amazing. What's up in here? I do have a bit of an idea, I will be honest, as to where I might find something. Past the lathe. There might be something in there, but we won't go in there yet. I'm pretty sure in one of these he's got that old radium dial watch hiding away. So we'll work through all of these. I think it was his father's watch, and he disassembled it one day. Never did figure out how to put it back together again. That might be a video for me one day, I don't know. So, well, there was something down here that went clickety click. Well, we did eventually find the watch, but it's not much coming off that. A few little extra clicks. This is probably the most detection I've had on this. Like previously I couldn't detect anything, so it is a little above background. Now I was poking around in here, and we found down here, there's definitely something down in there. There we go, we're finding something in there. There we go. We found something. So these are thoriated tungsten electrodes, I think we found. Let's see, here we go. Yeah, okay. Definitely above background by a significant amount. But yeah, I knew there was something in this corner. I started getting them double clicks. Yeah, this does read a lot higher on these than the 101 did. And the Geiger tubes I've got as well. Oh, it was interesting poking around the shed with the Radiacode 103. So I'll find some more stuff, I'm sure. But nifty little gadget, this thing.